So here's the brand new 2025 1.5 ton trane XR14 heat pump that just fired up. This unit just got installed yesterday. The install video is the most recent video on my channel. So if you want to go watch the replacement of the 2017 1.5 ton Goodman to this, make sure to go watch it. But yeah, I just thought I'd get a video of it starting up. Yeah, there's my tripod. I'm gonna try to get it shine down too. Gentech motor. Yep. 2025 from February 2025. 1.5 ton, and it has R4 54B refrigerant. And I got a Lion Squirrel compressor. This one's not running right now. It's shut off a little bit ago. This one's the same as that one. The only difference is this one's from January and that one's from February. And yeah, I used the Goodman. This is the, and it's just shut off. So yeah, something that I've noticed ever since that trane got installed, this one has been cycling. Because the last couple of days when that Goodman over there was dead, this unit would run constantly during the day. But now that it got replaced, this one's been working great and cycling, so that's good. Yep. Now this one's running by itself now. This time yesterday we were installing it. Yeah, we got the unit into place at 12 o'clock yesterday, and we got it started up around 5, so. Yep. It's working good. I think we did a good job on it. The tech did most of the work, but I helped him with a little bit, but yeah. Yep, looks good. And I might be able to see if I can get a defrost cycle of it this winter, if I come back. You could actually force defrost putting a sponge on that thing right there. It used to be super hot, but if you put a super hot sponge on that thing right there, in 2 seconds it'll go into defrost. So that's a little trick that you can learn without taking this panel apart, getting to the defrost board. So yeah. I know it's summer, but I just thought I'd tell you about that. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna see if I get a shutdown. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.